Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing cencar am. Tip syuk kan nong kom no lah dah. Yap sama nong mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacong pi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ibai Heprit ibala prasnam karta lakeno bila sya Rahbor hauwei ubrio. Yo bompala pan pau kerteng. Pakani gaja hakawei kisnong kebadan hatam ribhoi. Haka ijahar bla ujor daka kami syaki Pulit kanong po Women's Police Station. Lapan tip bahaka apnyo truk jemang aja penrio. Haka por kembah nyaw siteng baje janmien. Ulunar ubarang don ka Jingïadei siyeng sisem. Ulakit daka bor ye ikon jongka. Daka mor terbait daka jing Thmu bani dia ye haki brio kebeladap yakut lupa. Haka ni jingja dan bok bai Heprit ila yo ban pat na khti jong ulunar. Pat mare ban letpan jingeram. Na kinong bela ki badan hajan. Pat kinong bela pat klaliban IT no syakasnong pat hading kata ki borsen syasnong kila pentip no aski Bahaïing hasem jong Heprit. Tang syok pedang ke ijahar ki Pulit kaliban kem yo badang khti haka afra tarik jemang aja penrio pat ka jing toket persai u menta kadang ya chakman.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.